Ever wondered how you can seamlessly connect your DigitalOcean GPU Droplet using your VSCode? Well, SSH lets you do that. This gives you full terminal and file access to your cloud GPU, making it easy to run code, manage dependencies, and even train your large language models from your very own VSCode. In this quick video, we will learn how you can connect your GPU Droplet using VSCode in just 3 simple steps: connect, authenticate, and start coding. Here I have already logged into my DigitalOcean account. We will click on create, select GPU Droplet, and we're going to select the data center region. As of now, I'm keeping New York. Choose an image. I'm keeping the settings as it is. Here I'm going to select H100, 1 GPU, 80 GB VRAM. And here we are supposed to select our SSH key. I have already added my SSH key, so I'm selecting that. And that's it. We're going to select on create GPU Droplet. It will take a couple of minutes to create our GPU droplets. So I'm going to come back once the GPU droplet is created. My GPU droplet has been created. Go back to GPU droplet page. Here you can find all the GPU droplets that you have created. Click on the IP address here and select the IP address. Open VSCode. Go to the extension tab and install remote development if you haven't installed it. This is the extension. I have already installed it. Once you have installed your remote development extension, I'm going to head to the Remote Explorer. Click on the plus sign here and type SSH root at, and you're going to paste your GPU droplet IP address. Enter. Select the first option, select connect, and it's going to take a couple of minutes. Continue, and that's it. You are connected to your GPU droplet. I'm going to type the NVIDIA SMI command, and as you can see, NVIDIA H100 with 80 GB VRAM. Pretty cool, right? Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.